Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows, repeat pattern, cast on multiple of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 19 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 8 2 time, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 1 extra stitch 17 and plus 2 edge stitches 19. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. This is 8 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. Again we repeat this pattern. How many you have? So one more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 2 stitches, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1. Now twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop and knit these two. 1, 2. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop, first stitch on your left needle from front loop and knit these two. 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, twist 2 from left to right and knit 2, knit 3, twist 2 from right to left and knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 1, twist 2 from left to right way. First we take second stitch on your right needle from front loop and first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Now knit these two. 1, 2. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop, first stitch on your left needle from front loop and knit these two. 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 2, knit 1 and knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. slip end. Starting of this pattern, twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop and first stitch on your left needle from back loop and knit these two. 1, 2. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now twist 3 stitches. First we twist 2 stitches from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop and first stitch on your left needle from front loop. Now take these 2 stitches on your left needle. Now twist 3 stitches from left to right, this way to this way. Take third stitch on your right needle from front loop and first 2 stitches on your left needle from back loop. Now knit these 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 5, twist 3 stitches. First we twist 2 stitches from right to left and then we twist 3 stitches from left to right and knit these 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? Here we have last 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches. Now knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop and first stitch on your left needle from front loop and knit these 2. 1, 2. In this row, starting of this pattern and last of this pattern, twist 2 stitches and center of this pattern, twist 3 stitches and last edge knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 6 rows and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.